All right, everybody, welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show. We've got Rodney back. We've got Tom back. Well, y'all look tall. I'm sitting on a bucket. So we're back. We're ready to get started. We're here with Mr. Rodney. We're going to get you turned around, and we're going to get into all this and go over it. We got the casted resin. So you all know, you watch it all the time. We got the light in behind so we can get a clear view of what's going on. Our target mark is 3 liters. Remember, with casting resin, this is a 2-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone on over to Tom and check this out. So this sucker here is going to be awesome. We're going to go in here with a metallic Maui. This sucker is banging. Look at that beautiful color. Okay, and this is your blue metallic. They are slightly different, but together they are going to hit really well and complement each other when we get into twirling this, moving it around, and doing all our little tricks we always do. So, for anybody that don't know, we have already went over this with Rodney. We're going to catch you all up to speed while we're sitting here getting ready. Right out the gate, 2-to-1 ratio. Part B always goes first. We're going to fill this up to 1 liter right on the dime. Then we're going to add our part A, which is the resin. All these containers are sitting out here because these jugs are super heavy. So we're going to pour more than a liter into here so I can take this container, transfer it into here, and get exactly 1 liter so I'm not holding all that massive weight trying to hit such a tight mark. So let's get right into it. We're going to take this jug off. We're going to take the little airflow off back here. With the light behind, we're going to sit here and get this right here to where we need. We're going to go right over that 1 liter, no doubt. Bing. More than enough. We will pour the rest of it back in. Now, I'm going to take my second clean container. I'm going to switch the light. And we are going to get this guy to sit. Oh, maybe. There we go. There we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and pour this guy in right to that 1 liter mark. Sorry, Tom, if I'm blocking you, brother. Now, in pouring this, Rodney, you want to keep it off the sides. Don't let it hit the side. Because if it hits the side, it's going to run down and it's going to keep accumulating past your mark. Now, when I say this needs to hit that line, that's exactly. It needs to be spot on. As soon as we hit that line, I'm going to stop and I'm going to let this sit just a minute here to make sure we're good. Not yet. We are just right below. Still a little bit right below. There you go. We are right on the money. Now I'm going to take this. While I'm sitting here, Rodney, I'm going to pour this right back in. Okay, no harm, no foul. And this container is going to get placed to the side. We're going to put this back on. We are good. We are right where we should be. Now, we're going to get this container out the way. We're going to get this container over here. So, we're going to fill this up to the 3 liter mark. Only thing we're going to do different, we're trying to save some video time so we can get you over here and show you what's going on over there. So we're going to bring you right back right as I start mixing. The only thing we're doing is pouring this in to the 3 liter. We got 6 minutes to go with the mixer. We're going to put in our pigments at the 4-minute mark. And this sucker is going to be banging. Trust me. All right, so check it out. This is where we got to kind of move a little quick. Get my little seat up here and get ready. We got our pigments. We just got done mixing. We took everything out. Briefly put it down into these. So 3 of these. Check it out. I'm going to keep them different. There's the first one. Okay. We're going to skip that one. There's that one. All right, we're going to skip this next one here, and we're going to pop this one in that guy. Just like that. We're going to let those sit there. We're going to go ahead and get on our blue metallic. Okay. Bam. See the difference there?
Big difference.
Yeah, big difference. And we're going to keep them separated like this. Now, this is where, Rodney, when you get to mixing these up, you got to be somewhat quick. These are sitting here heating up, and they are actually working right now. So all you want to do, we're going to sit down in here. Check this out. Tom, come over here. We're going to get this down in here and immediately, look, take a popsicle stick and start getting that off the sides, okay? See how it's coming right off? Mm-hmm. All right. You're going to whip this around just like that. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So get it off the sides and then immediately, look, put it back over, set it down, leave it alone. Now we're going to work on the second one. Stir it around, it'll get it to cling to the side, and then immediately start getting it off that side. Now look at that. Look at that one. Okay. So we already know these are going to be nasty. Now, when I set this one back over here, check that out. I'm still stirring that one. I'm going to give that one another little dose, right? Okay. Come on in, Ethan. You can see it. Now, we're going to work this one. Just like this. And then them sides. Get it right off those sides, much as it'll come. Boom. All right, and look, just what I did with the last one. Remember? Now, this one, this is where it gets a little, I'm going to go on and get this one ready. I'm going to stop and get this off the side. As soon as it comes off the side, back up some even. As soon as it comes off the side, then I'm going to switch over this one to get the majority of that off side. Then I'm going to come back to this one. Okay, and you'll get used to it, man. You just got to be fast with it. Those are done. My last one right here. And then I'm going to start over container one, and I'm just going to give them all a good quick mix real quick before we dump them. And we're going to do a dirty pour. So again, this is blue metallic, and this is a blue Maui metallic. And these suckers are going to just hit. They're going to hit hard. Now look, run back through. Just like this. Put them down. Just like this. Put them down. Just like this. Put them down. Now, let me sit back down so Tom can get back over. Check them out. Now, one after another. Here we go. Tom, come right over here so you can see this getting poured right out. Here's number one. Check it out. Rodney, look at that. So there's number one. All right, set that to the side. Number two, swirl it around just a tad. Dump her right on top. Look what we did there. All right. Now back to their first one. Swirl it around just a little bit. Look. See how they're staying separated. They're mixing, but they're staying separated also. All right. Right back in. Boom. Look at that guy. Boom. You don't think it's going to be a bad boy blue? Of course it is. Now, Rodney, I couldn't help but notice. Rodney Ford, right?
Yes, sir.
You got a hat on that's got a Ford emblem on it. But
Yes,
you
sir.
drive a Dodge Ram.
Yes, sir.
You know, I just had to point that out. You
So,
know, that's just me being
prefer.
funny.
I
Yes,
prefer.
yes, I get that. I get that. All right, look at our last one here.
Oh, this is going to be beautiful.
All right, this is going to be super sick. All right.